So BioPontis Alliance was started as a foundation, a charity. We're a 501c3 in the United States. We're a foundation of public utility in Brussels, Belgium. We have a single board that's comprised of people very well known for decades in their careers from regulatory agencies, academia, and industry, who came to the conclusion that it's not that we can't solve this problem, but we need to go about it in a way that's not traditional, that doesn't follow the legacy approach of developing a treatment from basic science. Pontis, of course, is Latin and stands for bridge. So we begin with a vision of building a new structure, starting with this charity as a platform that can bring patients and academic researchers into a collaborative partnership with BioPontis, to identify promising science, to bring the patient directly into the development of that science at a very early time, much before a clinical trial is even possible, in order to enhance the ability to move more treatments towards the clinic, and then to allow the industry and the investment community to take those projects and syndicate financial resources and leverage the capabilities of the biopharmaceutical global industry to complete the process and bring those products to marketplace. Now, we started this as a foundation and charity, and we raised seed philanthropy and have begun working on a project in a disease called Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease, in a specific variant of that disease, with the University of Antwerp and the Flemish Biotech Institute in Europe. We are just now in the process of starting a second project in discussions with Massachusetts General Hospital nearby in Huntington's disease. Both of these are debilitating diseases. Both lack any disease-modifying treatment, and we're going to use these as initial projects to move forward. But we know philanthropy can't carry the weight of doing that all. There are only so many Gates Foundations or Wellcome Trusts in the world. We need to find a structure that not only can bring philanthropy to the early beginning of development, of identification of basic science, of forming partnerships and allegiances with the patient groups involved with the diseases those scientific discoveries are pointing at, but we also need to attract investment capital. We think of this as impact investment capital, to develop a structure that's associated with the nonprofit corporation, but is actually a for-profit, and we've done that. And we're in the process now of building a prospectus to raise that capital to take these two projects and others we're in the process of early diligence in review around the world. We think this is a scalable solution. Our goal is really, little BioPontis won't solve this massive problem. But it's possible if we find new structures that actually can overcome the hurdles and challenges of moving patents from universities forward, of aggregating the multidisciplinary expertise necessary for industrial development of that basic science, so that it becomes a valuable asset in the eyes of the investment community and the pharmaceutical industry. We think this model can be emulated, it can be scaled, and in 10 years' time, we could have hundreds of diseases literally having a treatment in the clinic and perhaps getting to the patient as a approved treatment. That would be an enormous outcome in the next decade for BioPontis to be part of founding and pushing forward.